Good morning. So what we're going to be covering today is how to take people and things out of an image and splice it so that it looks as if they were never there. So on this image, you see I have a picture of people meeting that I got from a website. And what we're going to do is we're just going to begin to work on cropping it. So I already have it open and it's serving as the background right now. So what I want to do is I want to try to get these people, cropped out. Let me do the Polygon Lasso. I'm gonna come along here. Just gonna come down. Down here. And so I'm gonna just try to delete these people. Let me line it up a little bit. And then I am going to hit delete and delete them, right? So now I have an issue. I just deleted my people out of the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer and I'm going to begin to try to blend these tiles back in. So I pretty much have a free tile range, or what I can do is I can kind of go like this. We're going to just zoom in a little bit so we can get the best we want. And why I'm going to grab this is because I want that top piece to blend with it. So I want it to blend all together. I'm going to go to my move tool. I'm just going to meet these guys up. Like this. Let's see. And then we see like this isn't matching up, right? So now I have the choice to either try to force something in, and because it's on more of an angle, I'll just come in, go back, and then I'll spot heal the area. So back in. Here. So something needs to work out somewhere in here. So now I can paste it, and I can begin to do a spot heal. before I do that, let me do this. Nope, I don't like that. I want to go normal. I'm going to move this behind the background. So then I'm going to begin to play around with that one. Just slightly. Do a little shifting. Layer 6 was my last tile. Wanna show in. Just merge all my layers into one. Then I'm gonna go in and start healing some areas. To remove the awkward seams. Still looks a little odd. So I'm gonna begin to just move down the pixels. Now this is a real quick demo of this. You could get super detailed with this, but this is just one of many ways that you can crop people out of images that they were in. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking it and allowing it to match and blend the pixels that would typically be there. And so now in the image, if you're not like super looking at it and trying to figure out what is going on, and if there's somebody that needs to be there, somebody that doesn't, you'll be able to notice that there's just open space. And originally it won't like throw you off. Now I would, if I were to select this, I would choose different tiles and merge them and do a extended version, because all of these tiles kind of have the same pattern and design. So you can even go in and just like start to like distort some of it. So that you could not see. Some of it look the same. So that would be just a quick demo on how to merge and take out elements in your picture and try to make it as clean as possible. The other thing that you can do is you can use the patch tool And you see how I'm able to just pull up, pull down, and the patch tool is just moving some things around for me. So you can also do that. The danger is when you deselect, you'll have this awkward shape. So if you're going to use a patch tool, you want to make sure you're patching with areas that are close to it, so that you're not throwing it all the way off. Okay, so that is it for the removing elements out of a picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.